the back door, low E glass. The windows are in. Hi-hats are in. Back French doors are in. This entrance is widened. Wow, big window here. Look at the size of that window. Alright. Double vanity. New doors. New door. New doors. I put the hardware on. Nice big windows. Nice colors. I like the colors. Very nice colors. Size of those windows. Big windows. Oh my God.